Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic. Dear friends, as you know, I always come a valuable project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining, website, platforms and a lot of more. Dear friends, today in this video I want to talk about a very rare and unique project that can help you to collaborate and share your skill with others. So before going to start the review, I would request you, if you are a new one on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos. So let's start the review now. So dear fans, this is the project called Luminax. I have placed link in video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and you can join this AI driven Skillswap marketplace. So dear fans, are you ready to illuminate a world of collaboration, learning and skill sharing? Look no further than Luminax Skillswap, the innovative platform where your skill shine as the currency that powers thriving community of knowledge exchange. This is the platform where users offer their skills and service to each other in exchange for the skill they need. The AI component will match user based on their offering and needs. For example, a user who is skilled at graphic design could offer for their service in exchange for coding assistance from another user. This concept creates a unique ecosystem of collaboration where users can leverage their strength and learn from one another without need for traditional currency. So here we can learn about the mission of this amazing platform. So the mission and vision is to revolutionize the way people learn, collaborate and grow by harnessing the radiant skills of our community members. We are building a future where expertise shine brightly, learning is accessible to all, and mutual empowerment fuels innovation as well. So here we can learn about this roadmap, that how things will be gone. So here we can also check out the phase 1 is consist of foundation. So quarter 4 2023 to quarter 1 2024 platform development, assemble a team of skills development to craft a user friendly and secure Luminax Skillswap platform. Profile creation enable user to create profiles that illuminate their skill, experience and passion. In phase 2, it is consist of skill matching. Quarter 2 2024 to quarter 3 2024 Luminax-Ai integration. Implement Luminax-Ai algorithm to match user based on their radiant skills and learning desire, ensuring optimal connection. Skill listing allow user to create a glowing listing of skill they are eager to share and skill they are seeking. Luminax transactions enable user to propose radiant skill exchange, fostering a dynamic and vibrant skill sharing ecosystem. So phase 3 is consist of skill exchange, like that resource radiance, create a Luminax central repository of learning resources, tutorial and guides to enhance user skill sharing experience. Feedback Luminax implement of feedback and rating system that illuminate trust and credibility within the Luminax community. Phase 4 is consist of learning luminaire, like that workshop and webinar, introducing radiant live workshop and webinar hosted by Luminax community members to facilitate profound knowledge transfer. Premium skills grow, introducing premium skill package that offer Lumina expertise and personalized coaching for those seeking advanced learning as well. So the roadmap is very amazing. So dear fans, the roadmap is subject to change as adopt user feedback, funding and technology advancement as well. So dear fans, the total supply of 10 billion. So here we can also find out the contract address, and I also recommended you to must be contact with on Twitter account and as well join their Telegram account to get latest news and updates. So here we can also check out its Telegram group. I recommended you to must be join this one to get latest news and updates, as well as I recommended you to must be Follow them on Twitter account to get latest news and updates related to this amazing projects. So here we can also check out their tweets and we can learn more about this amazing platform. So dear fans, it is a very unique and rare project that can help you to exchange your skills and collaborate with the people. So must be join this amazing project. Also like this video and share with your friend. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.